So I apologize. I paused the last video, and then when I went back to continue recording, I accidentally hit this button, which means finish recording. So you have to have two recordings this time. I'm sorry. But to continue, um, so we have wood. So let's say when I was younger, comma, my brother would help me with my homework. All right. Um, so maybe I'll keep that there because it just sounds more natural. I mean, we would probably say it this way um, in normal speech. So if I ask a yes no question with would, just like here we have used to, it has ed, so we used did to ask the question. But if you notice here, there's no ed, right? And maybe that's something else I need to explain. Um, would is followed by the base form, right? So it's like I would go. It's not a complete sentence. I'm just gonna. He would talk, right? So would is followed by the base form. And so there's no ed, there's no past tense marker. Okay, there's no past tense marker. So when you ask a question, you're going to use would as your question word. Would. Now we're having a conversation, so the person said my brother, so we'll just say, would your brother help you with your homework? And we can finish it, when you were younger. All right, so there is would is your question word when you're using would. And a short answer, yes, he. And remember, we always take the question word, and that's in your short answer. Yes, he would, or no, he wouldn't. There you go. Same thing with the short answer. That's your question word. That's the word you use in your short answer. And then we have a WH. Let's see, can I get this all on one page? I would like to. I'll go up here. Didn't change anything. I don't know. Let's move this. There, okay, got it all on one page. Good. Okay, WH, who, what, why, when, where. Um, you could say who. No. Yeah, who would help you with your homework? Or you could say, get it all on one line. How, why would he help you? All right, so just like up here, when the yes/no question is, did he used to get a good grade? That did comes right after the WH. When did, how did, why did. But when you have would, that you don't use did. So you use would. Who would, why would, when would, how would. Okay, because that is your question word with would. Who would help you with your homework? Why would he help you? And if I want to make a negative, My brother wouldn't help me with my homework when I was younger. Okay, so that was like regularly. Every day or every week, whatever. Okay, I hope that is clear, and you will start doing homework on this on page 48 in your book. And homework is posted on Canvas. Okay, goodbye.